We come before you today with hearts full of gratitude as we gather to celebrate the strength, courage, and achievements of women across the world. As we raise this flag in honor of Women's Month, we recognize the invaluable contributions women have made and continue to make in every corner of our lives, at home, in the workplace, and in community. We ask for your guidance and wisdom